Bonjour tout le monde! Today we are going to unbox new Meadow Friends mystery box from Notebook Therapy. First of all, this is unsponsored. I'm not a partner or collaborator. I mean, I wish I was, but I paid for this with my own hard-earned money because I was dying to see the theme. It got sold out instantly 2 weeks ago as soon as this came out. And I was a VIP subscriber, so I got it for $75. But retail price is $125. So, as nobody else can buy this anymore, let's do it totally unfiltered. Look at what's inside and see if it's worth it. First up is the hero piece, this mini bullet journal. When you slide it out of the box, look at how that gold foil on the cover catches the light. Inside we have dot grid pages, and the pages have that signature thick Tsuki quality. It has a little pocket in the back and some sweet tiny text on the last page. They don't sell this cute mini size in their normal collections, which makes it a collector edition, and I love that. Next is the 4-pack washi tape set with gorgeous golden details. The best part is one of them is die cut, the next two are traditional lengths, and the last one is kiss cut. For mini journals, not having to fuss with scissors is a total game changer. Then we have this pocket washi pack. They are stacked together exactly like sticky notes. You just rip, peel, and stick. I think they are great for bordering and layering. Now for the stamps, you get 3 wooden blocks, but they are multi-sided with 9 designs total. As you see, the lines are so crisp and the rubber is thick, which keeps the wooden corners from getting into. I love that fact. And there is also zero ink bleeding. Next are 2 sticker sheets. The first one is harder, clear acetate material with metallic details. And the second one has squishy 3D puffy stickers for great dimension. We also get a couple of accessories which are exclusive to the mystery boxes. It's a little Ducky pin and matching cute Clover keychain. Then we have this translucent Clover Eraser, which is actually perfectly functional. The last item is this scrapbook set. It comes with 5 Washi Biscuit sticker sheets and 10 scrapbook papers. The textures are so crispy, they are perfect for layering backgrounds. So, is it worth it? For the original $125 retail price? Honestly, no. It's just too small. The only exception is emotional value, though. For instance, last year's Sakura box meant everything to my creative soul. If that were on sale today for this price, I would buy it instantly because it speaks to my heart. Otherwise, I would wait for a launch that truly moves me. Did you grab one? Let me know. Bye!